Listen, me not do weed. All if you did eat it, it's still a good day to be able. Me not have this argument with you over the phone. When you come, you see it in person. You have to see it in person, okay? Me not sending a picture.
Boss, really need to get something on him to just get rid of that bread. Once and for all. You know see what the man do? The man release new scars family. What else am I gonna do? Really and truly there, sit back and I watch. But hear what? But I have to do something. Like no. No.
Whisper. Remember, so we're not operational like that. And we can't operate like everybody else. We have to have solid proof of anything what we are bring to the table. But at the first, we really see you again. So, Ansi, you're usually the calm one.
Boss, me can't comfortable with what happened. He might threaten with, might threaten people, family, and I hold things over people's head. Him not for the way him there, boss. Him not for the way him there.
So what you think? We should have mixed thing and take him out?
No, we want to take him out. I don't want him to lay down 6'6". I want him so forward.
No worry yourself. We'll soon get it done. I just want you to stay calm. You sure everything alright with your Whisper?
Remember say destiny dead you know. And if my face revealed, she gonna get compromised too. Just that the on my mind.
Me understand. But she there? She alright?
Yeah man, she alright. Patsy carry her down her mother. She'll spend the holiday down there.
That sounds good. Want you remember one thing in a Whisper? You see anything you go through, remember, you can talk.
Talk to me now, babe. You vex with me? Me nah send no picture of my private part, babe. Me nah do that. Alright, me gonna send a picture of my face with a bright smile. But me nah send a picture of my private part. Understand? Yes, babe, me shave. When you come home, you see it.
I need to go talk to her. Because I don't think she know what happened to her.
True. I think it's fair if she go through this and she not know.
I have a feeling that Stinger soon link me. Because that look the way in him eye. It look like him a ball out for him.
Based on what you said, it might be compromised. And that might cause a problem.
Just pray say, Mr. Mullins not get to him before him get to we. But in the meantime, this Carlton and Miranda thing, we need to jump back on it. I think I might have something we can pin Carlton to Tony missing.
What that?
Something simple, but very effective.
Alright. Bossy, you hear people on this?
Yeah. I want a love boat.
What about the sailor?
The sailor is okay and still out at sea.
Then watch love. Whisper, I gotta handle my business.
Alright, bossy, me now stay there now.
That's how work.
Now go home to get ready, come and pick up Patsy.
Alright, then come on.
See you later. Are you ready?
No?
So what you do with the bag?
You want me to leave it in there, son? So Santa look help them can help themselves? Try me with Christmas.
So the baby good?
Surprisingly, she alright. She adjusts. Mom says she not stop running up and down to little boy in my community.
Little boy? Which little boy that?
Calm down, Mr. FBI, sir. I'm a cousin. Him named Jacob. Them are the same age.
You have a cousin, Destiny age, when named Jacob.
Yeah, our.
So why your auntie give him that burden that you carry?
What kind of burden?
The name?
Jacob.
Yeah.
From the Bible.
Yeah, but it's bigger than it.
Hello, a country him come from. Him will be alright. I have an ex-cousin named Wilbert. Him a 15.
You know what? I not trouble your family tree. It's alright.
I have a question. Why you make me drive that route there? Because my mother.
What wrong with the road?
Through the curves and turns of Fern Gully, through the hills and valleys of Walker's Hood.
I just don't want to see the countryside.
My mother live back a God, make a left up one hill through one valley and around the mountain. She have enough country in her life. I would have preferred if we had taken the highway Mr. Edward Siaga left for us.
I just feel like I'm the best route for take.
Where the phones don't pick up? Are we so easy for track me? Chris, my wife be straightforward with me because I realize say yeah, skirt around me like you dress my car. You remember what you tell me in the room? So you gotta tell me everything.
I just don't think so the time right.
Something wrong with your clock? Chris, destiny in a danger? Because me hear a voice say your beloved daughter will never be safe. And me need to take that personally.